Hey friends, if you encounter error 0x80070522, a required privilege is not held by the client, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first resolution is through the registry editor. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor window. Now go to HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, policies, system, and where do you go it? In the left pane, HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, and so on. In the right pane, there's an entry called enable LUA. Double click on it, change the value data to 0, click on OK, and then the user account control will be turned off. You'll get a message here. Okay. Now I'll turn it on so that I can show further solutions. But once this is done, you have to restart your computer. It will not work till you restart your computer. So after the registry editor fix, right click on the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your computer. One more thing is that you can turn off the UAC through the panel. Search for user account control here. Click on change user account control settings. Pull this slider to the absolute bottom. Click on OK. And then restart your computer, obviously. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.